looking for a discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, then you are the right person. Because in this video, I will reveal two of the finest discount coupon codes of Hostinger plus a special discount link. You can find both of them in the description of this video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can use the discount to get an amazing discounted rates at Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link of Hostinger, you will be led to a page like this where you can see an already running discount deal of Hostinger. Now, if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Hosted by W Beginner. All of them say that Hostinger is an amazing hosting company. Now, these are the three most popular plans. The best thing with Hostinger is that all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee, which makes hosting a very preferred choice to buy your hosting with a special discount. You can see that all of the plans have already discount loaded, and my coupon is going to get you further discount. So with Hostinger, you do not need any coding skills. They have a website, build a website with the AI, artificial intelligence based builder, but you can also use WordPress to create your website. And if you Hostinger also have a website migration service. So in case if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, their dedicated support is going to help you in transferring all of your website, that too free of cost at Hostinger. Now this is the control panel, super easy, super friendly. You can see over here everything is manageable and just with a click of seconds. Also, Hostinger provides a dedicated website builder tutorial, and you can also check in my YouTube channel as well on how you can use this one as well. And for speed, reliability, and efficiency, Hostinger do not compromise on it. Hostinger has local data center all around the world, faster speed with 24/7 support. And if you scroll below, Hostinger security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, DDoS attack prevention with a cloud-free protected names of technology. And at this moment, 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And now, if you want to enjoy the Hostinger discount deal, guys, make sure to click on the link in the description and move above and choose any of the famous plan at Hostinger. I recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features, functions before you're going to buy anyone. But if you ask me which one is the best one, my vote is going to go with the premium or business plan because they have almost everything which you're going to need it. Plus, you are getting 2 months extra free because you have clicked on the link in the description. Now, another interesting thing over here, if you do a minor comparison between business and premium plan, you can see over here that the premium plan has SSD storage, while the business has NVMe storage. So NVMe storage is even faster than SSD storage. Free domain, almost everything is same. Now, there is another difference over here, and that is of the weekly backups being covered with premium plan, and with the business plan, you're getting daily backups. So, in my opinion, the daily backups is most important thing, but see what your budget says around. Otherwise, all of the features are almost same, but you can do a thorough comparison and simply select the choose plan with any plan you are going to finalize on. And once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you can see that this is an exclusive special deal running right now for my audience. So guys, take the maximum out of it. You can see over here the time is running down, so take the maximum out of it. Now, higher the billing period, the more the discount you're going to get with the Hostinger. So guys, make sure to select the 48 months. I recommend you to take the maximum. You are getting 2 months free as well. So this is separate from this discount and coupon code. So that is going to make you a lot. So you can use this coupon code. You can find this discount coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link to get additional discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another discount coupon code, and that is with the name of HI10. So you can use either of the discount coupon code as per your convenience to get the discount. After this, make sure you can see over here that 30 days money back guarantee is valid with all of the plans. And then when you select the continue, you will be moved to the last part, and you may Hostinger may ask you to get login into your account. After this, you can see over here your discounted summary over here. The discount is loaded. Now write your billing details and simply select the continue over here. So once you select the continue, you will move to the last part to get the discount deal, and that is selecting your preferred mode of payment. Now Hostinger offer variety of payment methods. You can choose any as per your convenience. Guys, they offer you so many options to choose on. So you can choose any as per your convenience. Let's say going into credit card details, and simply select the submit button, and you're going to get email within few seconds regarding your hosting. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description. Use either the discount coupon code to get this amazing discount. I've been using it from the last 3 years, and my experience with Hostinger is just amazing, and highly recommend you guys to take the advantage of this discount deal. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.